Oral irrigation is a necessary part of good oral hygiene with braces. It helps remove plaque, bacteria, and food from around the brackets and wires and at the gum line. It also reaches below the gum line where brushing and flossing cannot reach. You should irrigate at least once a day with water to help maintain healthy teeth and gums. Be sure to read manufacturer's instructions prior to use. First, remove the reservoir and fill with water. You may add mouthwash to the water for a fresher feeling. Always start by putting the pressure gauge on the lowest setting. This may be increased over time as you become accustomed to using the product. Start in the molar or back area of your mouth. Direct the tip straight in at the gum line where the tooth and gum meet. Make sure the tip is close to the tooth but not touching to allow the solution to clean the area. Turn the unit on. Follow the gum line around the mouth, stopping between each tooth for 5 or 6 seconds. Remember to irrigate the teeth from both inside and outside. It is best to close your lips slightly and lean over the sink to prevent splashing and allow the water or mouthwash to flow into the sink. Bleeding is an indication that your gums are not healthy. You may notice some bleeding when you brush, floss, irrigate, or use any recommended product. This will decrease as you continue with proper and daily home care. If it persists, call your dentist for an appointment. The pickpocket tip is used for deep pockets between the teeth and gums. Your dentist will inform you if you need to use this tip in addition to daily use of the standard jet tip. Keep pressure gauge on the lowest setting. Place the soft tip against the tooth at a 45-degree angle and gently slide the tip just under the gum line. Turn the unit on. Keep the tip pointed below the gum line. Gently follow the gum line. Make sure to irrigate all the areas recommended by your dentist. Several water-pick oral irrigator models are available. Ask your dental professional or check your local retail or drugstore for available models.